The tool panel located to the left of the template contains the building blocks needed to design a flyer or a multi-listing report. These objects include freeform text fields, data fields, shapes, images, interactive links, date stamp, and page numbering. In this tutorial, we will cover the basics of placing these objects on the template. Please refer to the Learning Center library for more in-depth tutorials on the formatting and setting choices available for each of these objects. To add one of these objects to your report, first select the appropriate tool, then drag the object onto the template. Depending on the object, you will either drag from the left panel as indicated with instructional hover text, or in the case of images and data fields, from the panel on the right. To edit an object, you must first select it. Selected objects display with a blue dotted border. The Options panel dynamically displays all formatting and setting options for the selected object. You can move the object by clicking on the field handle and dragging it to a new location. For more precise movements, hold down the Control key and use the arrow keys to move the object. You can change the size of an object by dragging the white anchor points. You can also use the position and size fields in the Options panel. You can select multiple objects by holding down the Control key and clicking each object. You can also use the mouse to drag and select all objects within an area. If multiple objects are selected, then any changes you make in the Options panel will apply to all selected objects. The object alignment options enable you to align objects in relation to each other. The system will always align to the last object selected, and the page alignment enables you to align objects in relation to the page. If an object overlaps another object or a page margin, all overlapping objects will display in pink as a warning. For solid objects, such as a picture, the warnings will display as a red border. If the overlap is deliberate, you can turn off the overlap warning for those objects. When layering multiple objects, you can use the Bring to Front or Send to Back options to place them in the right order. You can also lock an object in place, which prevents it from being accidentally moved as you are building your report.